Hey guys, it's Andrea. I'm back. Today I wanted to do another Demonia shoe review. This time it won't be about the boots, but it'll be about the actual shoes that I have. This is unsponsored, my honest thoughts and opinions on Demonia shoes. As everybody knows, Demonias are actually my favorite brand, but I also have a pair at the end of this video that I have actually never worn, and I will tell you why. So stay tuned for that. Let's get into the video. So first and foremost are my absolute favorite shoes. These. And I call these my baby doll shoes. I'm not really sure why I call them baby doll shoes. They just kind of remind me of baby doll shoes. But they are like super duper duper comfortable. They hold up very, very well. And I mean, they're really thick, guys. There's actually not a lot of heel if you look, because there's so much platform, so it makes them super easy to walk in and very, very, very comfortable. I've literally broken my ankle in these shoes. My boxer puppy, she's about 60 pounds. She come up behind me and knocked me out from underneath my feet. And my feet went up in the air and I came back down and I actually fell on the buckle. So yeah, and they told me I broke my ankle. Luckily it wasn't bad enough to where I couldn't walk around in some cute shoes, or I didn't have to wear like an ankle brace or crutches or anything. It was just like a little fracture from me actually falling on the buckle. But the only thing I have bad to say about these is the buckles are in a very uncomfortable place. They're kind of like right on your ankle bone, and I really want to wear these in like the summertime, but I usually have to wear a pair of socks that come up around the buckle part so that I have some padding around my ankle. So unfortunately, even though these are super comfortable and super adorable, I don't know really how far I'm gonna be able to wear them in the summertime, just because of the buckle location. It does kind of suck. I might try to figure out some kind of padding or something to make these a little bit easier to wear in the summertime. But I mean, these are just the cutest, and they do have the big clown toe, which I absolutely love in my shoes, is the big clown toe. But yeah, guys, these are like my absolute favorite shoes. I wear these probably the most out of everything that I've got. But so that's those. Next are these. I was really looking for a really strappy platform sandal, and Demonia just happened to have a really cute one. I'm not too big on the curve in this back here. It's a little weird to me, but again, these are really comfortable as long as you get this back strap adjusted just right, kind of tight. If not, they're a little hard to walk in, and they're wide, but they I don't really know how to explain it right, but they tend to, like, when you're walking, they kind of tilt. I don't really know why, but make sure that you get the strap tight because it makes it easier to walk in them. But they are, again, very comfortable, and they're squishy right here. They're squishy all over, but they're really squishy right here, so it makes it easy to walk in. They're super cute. I love the strappy sandal part. And these are great for summertime. I have worn these quite often since I've gotten them, since it's been warm. Just a overall very cute sandal, and they hold up really well. As much as I've worn them, the really only place that you can see them is there. I mean, I've worn them a lot. They're not wearing down that quickly. So these are great shoes, guys. Next I've got them in the pink, and then the new one that just came out, the black with like the galaxy sparkle on them. These are the first ones I got. My mother-in-law actually got these for me, I think for my birthday. These, again, are extremely comfortable to walk in. The only problem is this, whatever this glitter is made of, it's pretty rough, and it does actually hit your skin around here. I've worn these in the mall once, and they did rub the crap out of the top of my foot. And I did have some sore spots with some blisters from that. And I'm pretty sure I got a little bit of a blister right here, but I had worn them like all day the day before and then in the mall that day. So, I mean, they're still really comfortable. If you've seen, I've worn them quite a few times, and this thing is moved and coming up, and I mean, you can see it's moving. So I don't know if maybe I need to like, it does come off. So I'll probably adjust that. I just realized that it was coming off. But it does give a little bit of extra padding, so I do want that back on there. They do have a lot of padding, and this down here is, it makes it very, very springy. It's like a rubber, a very light rubber, so I can squish it a little bit, but they make them very, very springy, so they're really good for walking in. I mean, definitely really good for walking in. This right here, it takes a minute to get adjusted to the way that your toe tends to want to curl up, so you just kind of don't walk on that part. It's just a little weird. I have worn those a whole bunch. And like I said, I just got these in. I have worn them probably once so far. Again, the same issue with the glitter. It rubs you in weird ways. With the pink ones, I like them because they have like this edgy look with like the black spikes on them. Very edgy looking. I love these, but like a very girly edgy look, which is exactly my personality. But this one also has a girly edgy look, only because yes, they are black, but the galaxy sparkle in them. And then let's see if we can focus on these. They're like anodized spikes. They're rainbow anodized spikes. And okay, I now have a light again. Sorry about that. Apparently it died, and I was contemplating on even just finishing the video without light or not. So now it's like 2 hours later, and my battery is charged. I went ahead and took down a dog gate and put up a whole nother dog gate because the one we had was too short. So where was I? Oh, so I was talking about this shoe right here and my pink one just like it. Anyways, these are just like the pink ones, extremely comfortable. They've only been worn once, so the little squishy part right here is still in place. That's the way it's supposed to look, versus the pink one that I have worn a whole bunch and it's slidden down, so y'all see where the little squishy part's supposed to be. But anyways, guys, I absolutely love these shoes. These are super, super comfortable, except for the glitter that does rub your feet wrong. But these are comfortable in all the other ways, and I would still recommend wearing them to the mall because, I mean, I did, and I was at the mall for a good couple hours. So other than a little bit of rubbing on the top of my foot from the glitter, these are extremely good for walking around in. And they have cute little stars on the bottoms of them too. But see, you can't even tell that I've worn them. And I've worn these shoes so much. And other than them being just a little bit dirty, they're not even worn down. And like the place that wears down the quickest for me is here. And there's like no wear whatsoever on these. These hold up so good. Demonias are wonderful shoes. Again, not sponsored. I just love Demonia. They're great shoes. Okay. So I saved these for last because they are the most badass shoes I probably own, and I really want to wear them somewhere. I'm not really good at walking around in shoes like these, and I've always been a little afraid of like falling in them, but they're so freaking cool, and I'm gonna wear them. I am, and they're really comfortable to wear too. They're just a little afraid to fall in them. They're so awesome. See the spikes? I have spikes all the way around. They are probably a gunmetal color. They're not silver, which I'm glad, because I wasn't big on the silver spikes. I do like, I think it's like Jeffrey Campbell has all the spikes back here on his shoes, and they're all like bright silver colored, and I really do like those shoes, but I feel like I like the gunmetal color just a little bit more, because it's just, it doesn't stand out so much. But it's got a really awesome skull in the front, and it's just got a lot of detailing. And I apologize for all the noise out there. I have some family that's in town, and they just came in, so it's a little noisy out there. But so yeah, I haven't worn these guys out other than like around the house. I did wear them for my husband one day, and he thought I was crazy. But these are probably the first pair of like super crazy shoes, super platform shoes that I have bought, and I just haven't worn them yet. But I will wear them. I will wear them. I just need to figure out what the heck I'm gonna wear them with. But again, they are comfortable. They have the squishy inside, like all Demonias do. Especially down here, there's a lot of padding down here, so they're really, really good, because that is quite a bit of heel. I have a hard time walking in heels since I've gotten a little older. I used to walk around in like some platform stilettos, and I couldn't, it wasn't nothing. But now I have a little bit harder time walking around in heels. My feet scream at me, and they are asking me like, oh, what the heck are you doing? So anyways, guys, these are definitely worth it, and they are super badass. I just, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna wear with them. I don't think jeans are good enough for these shoes. I feel like I need to wear these where you can see this entire shoe to be able to appreciate it. So I just need to find the right place and time and outfit for these shoes. They will get worn, and I am looking forward to it. It is getting warmer, so I'm thinking like a mini skirt. I think they would look so amazing with a mini skirt, like really edgy, but still super cute. So thanks guys for watching this video.